my channel, Glow with Candace. So on today's episode, we're gonna be unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag September box. Wow, it's hard to believe we're already in September. I'm totally ready for fall. I don't know about you guys, but obviously I got the fall vibes behind me, I got the fall vibes on me, so we're ready for this. Now, just a reminder, IPSY Glam Bag Pluses have changed. So now I don't get a normal zip bag, I get a drawstring bag, and I also get to pick 3 of the 5 products. Now, I had talked about in my last video that I didn't necessarily like this because they made it sound like I was gonna look at 12 products and pick 3 of the 12 that I wanted, but instead it gives you option 1, pick 1 of the 3 products. Option 2, a different 3 products, pick 1 of them. So I was disappointed in that in the very first one that they changed up. This month, I will say, was a little bit better. It gave you about 3 to 4 options for each pick, and you got to pick. So I liked this bag better than I did last month, but I'm still not 100% sold on how they're doing it. I still wish I could look at all of them because I saw multiple things in one section that I would have wanted over what I picked, if that makes sense. So I'm hoping that maybe they change this if enough people reach out and say, hey, you know, this is what I like and what I don't like, so we'll see. So this is the bag this month. I'm getting a lot of a theme here. I mean, what I'm wearing, how I look, my background. So I love the color. It's really pretty and it's like a velvety corduroy feel to it. I'd say more velvety, but it has a corduroy look. I haven't figured out what to do with these drawstring bags yet. I'll probably put my hair scrunchies in them or something. They'll probably make great travel bags, things like that. Maybe great for snack packs. I don't really know, but they're a little bit different, and so I'm happy in that retrospect. So the first product that IPSY picked for me were a couple face masks, and you guys know how I love face masks, so I wasn't gonna complain about this. Sheet masks are my favorite. I like sheet masks in general because then I don't have to wash anything off afterwards. I just kind of rub it in. Versus other masks, you have to rinse it off and make sure you get all the product off. So I'm more of a favorite of sheet masks more than I used to be for that reason. So just a little bit about this product. It's from Starskin and it's a close-up coconut biocellulose second skin firming face mask and Glow Star foaming peeling puff set. So first of all, this retails for $17.25. Close-up mask, which is this one, it says it features a potent combo of hydrating glacier extract and tripeptide, a major skin restoring compound to help boost skin elasticity. And then the other one called Glow Star is a foaming peeling puff and a unique puffy sponge soaked with a brightening formula of vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acids to gently remove dulling skin, cell, and acne-causing debris. So both of these are certified and free of parabens, mineral oils, synthetic dyes, and sulfates. And interesting, this one sounds pretty interesting. It sounds like it's gonna foam. I've gotten a few from some Glow, I don't know, some Glow thing, and they were like bubbling masks. I actually used one last night and I really like that, so I'm hoping this is gonna do the same kind of effect as well. The next product that I have that IPSY chose for me is a vitamin C all day eye cream from Context. This product is 0.5 ounces and retails for $24.50. It says that this product is hydrating, brightening, refreshing, and it looks like you slept a full 8 hours instead of like 2. So this is a super concentrated eye cream and it's lightweight and it soaks right up into the skin and it is so perfect you can wear under makeup. So that will definitely be a test. It's cruelty-free and it's loaded with ingredients your skin will love, like licorice, grapeseed, and enchiachi. Don't know what that is. So it looks like it's a clear type eye cream, so I like those kind of ones for sure, and it almost feels silicone-y. more like gel based. So that'll be interesting to see how it affects the skin and if it does a good job. There are a lot of eye creams that claim to do things and then they end up not doing anything. So the first product that I picked were, of course, some more sheet masks. So I was super happy to get more because I can never have enough. And even though I was already getting some, I was okay with choosing this because a sheet mask is a one-time use. So now I have 5 uses. So this is from Hello Ganic and it's a 1-a-day sheet mask set. So it's complete with 3 sheet mats, as you can see, masks I mean. And it's packed with hydrating, skin strengthening, calming ingredients, which make a great makeup prep. It holds anti-aging and revitalizing powers. It makes a great addition to your regular routine. And this is a skin saver, so it gently exfoliates, purifies, and detoxes to boost your complexion when you're feeling meh. So these retail for $7.50 each. So yeah, so I got 3 and it looks like they're made in Korea. This one has coconut rose water, and this one is hydrating. It's kind of interesting because this looks like a newspaper. So that's kind of cool. The outsides of them look like they should be on a magazine or a newspaper or something. This one is supposed to be pore refining based on the ingredients. And then this one is brightening based on the ingredients. So these will be fun. I cannot wait. Like I said, face masks are my favorite. I love to pamper and give my skin that extra boost that it needs. The next product that I picked out is from Ofra and is a lip gloss, and it is the Truffle Lip Gloss. So I love Ofra highlighters. I've never used their lip glosses or lip products or eyeshadows or anything like that. So I guess I have used their blush. But other than that, I haven't used anything else. So of course I was gonna pick a product from Ofra. So it's a brown with a little bit of shimmer. I am afraid this is gonna be too dark for me, so we'll end up seeing if that works out. But I'm sure it's a nice, I know for sure it's a high-end lip gloss, so it'll just depend if the color works and how I like wearing it. I have a product on my lips today, so I'm not gonna put that on, but if you guys are interested on me doing a review on this, please let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to do that for you. This retails at $15 and it is 6 milliliters or 6 cc's, and it's packed with antioxidants and jojoba oil, and it deeply nourishes and hydrates your lips without ever feeling sticky or tacky. Kind of like that jojoba oil I was talking about with the Bellamy lip product and mascara, so that is the same kind of oil. It says it's a perfect neutral color that is sheer shimmery brown tint that looks ultra flattering on all skin tones from fair to deep. So I'm excited. It does look dark, but if it's gonna look good on me or someone who has a darker skin tone, that is great. It's probably more sheer than it looks, like the description says. So I'm super excited knowing that it's gonna work for any kind of shade. And the last product that I picked myself is from Feel, and it's a Vitamin E Balm. So of course, after I wear that lip gloss or whatever lip product, I need to hydrate my lips, correct? So I wanted to pick some, this was my best option. I wasn't super thrilled about getting this, but out of what I had to select, it was the best thing. So this is said to moisturize lips, soften rough patches, protect delicate skin, and more, and it repairs damage and restores moisture levels with hero ingredient Vitamin E. It's rich in protective antioxidants and replenishing fatty acids. It has castor seed oil, sunflower wax, instantly soothes dry lips and chapped skin by locking in moisture for hours. So it retails for $24 and it's 20 milliliters or 20 cc's. And it's a natural formula, good for your skin. It's cruelty-free and vegan, making it good for all furry friends too. So I'm excited to use this. I'm always looking for a good lip balm and then see if it actually works. Having vitamin E in it is great, so that is an added bonus, and that's also why I was curious about picking it when I saw that it has vitamin E in it. Well guys, that wraps up my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for September 2020. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing with me. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below if you would love to come back on my channel and watch future videos like this and more by me. And until next time, bye!